Guys, welcome to my another video. So today I'll talk about how to upload videos on your YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna do is once you're in your YouTube channel, you have to click on manage video. Once you click on manage video, you will see create on the right upper side. You say create, hit on create, and it shows upload video and go live. So it can go live because if you create a new video channel and you need some kind of subscription 1000 plus 4000 watch time, and you don't have none of it, so you just have to click on upload videos and select the file you want from your computer. So in this case, I'm going to select one files and it will automatically drag in here. So as you can see, the details, video element, visibility, and it's downloading. On the bottom you can see 22 seconds left to fully upload the video, and here you can write down the description you want. So just to show you, I'm just going to write something in there. And you can also upload a thumbnail here, which you can create on your own, or otherwise you just can leave it blank, and it will automatically choose the video footage, one of the video footage you have from the video you have uploaded. So from here you can choose audience, what kind of audience you're choosing. Is it made for kid, or no, it's not made for kids? So I'm gonna hit no, it's not for made for kid. And in the more option, you can, as you can see, the video is here. This is the thumbnail I was talking about. So in thumbnail you can choose which video footage you want. So let's move on. So the text, you can add text here, and you can choose a language if you want to put a subtitle or any language here. And if you want to put a recording date, you can, otherwise you can leave it blank. So for the category, you can put people or blogs, newspaper, science and technology, all these different categories of the videos you have made. You can also put a, and also for the commenting section, you can you can actually control everything, and you can hold or disable comments. You can put hold potentially inappropriate comment for reviews, as you can see here. So, and once you are okay with everything here, just hit next and hit next, and you can schedule the video visibility to public or private, or so if you hit in private, only you and the people you choose can watch the video. Otherwise or private, I would recommend using private to like, let's say you want to edit later on and you want your subscriber to see the video, unfinished video, so you can keep it private and work on your videos until you finish. And you can choose public and just hit publish. So once you hit publish, it will automatically publish, and this is how this is the channel video, and you can see the HDB is processing, the high quality is processing. So October 3rd I just published my video, and you can see it will work. And if you go to the YouTube channel, as you can see, it's working. So this is the video just I created, and it's ready to go. So this is how you upload a video to your new YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please give thumbs up, and see you in the next video.